Nicole. I promised to give you a video with some tips and tricks on how to optimize your website and increase your online presence. And we're going to be going over 3 things today: content, backlinks, and citations. So the first thing that I'm doing is looking at your front page. I'm looking at the number of words and content that you guys have here. There's not a whole lot of content. It's a beautiful site, but Google loves content. I would guess you probably have around 50 or so words on your front page, and we recommend 1,500 to 2,000 words, depending on your competition and number of keywords needed. So a keyword is anything someone might type into Google looking for a particular service or product. In your content, you can place these keywords throughout to tell Google exactly what terms you want your website to be found for. I know you guys do a lot of services with remodeling, but I chose kitchen remodeling for this example. So in the Google search, I put in kitchen remodeling contractor, Norcross, Georgia. This is a great example of a perfect keyword because it is location and service specific. Kitchen remodeling contractor is the service. Location is Norcross, Georgia. So the first result that comes up are these Google guaranteed ads. These are really great. They have a really high conversion rate, around 40 to 60% from the data we've collected. Below those Google guarantee local ads is a Google map pack. These 3 businesses here are potentially going to get lots of business, since 30% of consumers will choose one of these businesses to perform their service. Below that is the organic search results. Now 60 to 70% of people will choose one of these businesses to do their service. Now you definitely want to be ranked near the top of the organic search to get the most search volume. Now here is a directory Yelp, and that's normal. Those come up sometimes for local searches. But your first competitor for kitchen remodeling is Frugal Kitchens. So I went ahead and I popped up their website here, and I'm going to look at their content as well. They have a little bit more words than you guys do on your front page, still not the recommended amount, but I would guess they have around 100 words or so. Alright, so we have gone briefly over content. The next thing I want to go over is this cool program over here that I have. Now this is a page program that I use to research websites, and I put them in here for comparisons and evaluation. This is a DR rating and this is a UR rating. DR rating is essentially a power rating Google gives your website, and UR rating is a trust rating. Both of these things are raised by a backlink. A backlink is anywhere you find one website linking to another, and these links act like an endorsement of your website from others, which Google uses to build trust in your business by seeing others vouching for you. So essentially, it's like a popularity contest. However, the best backlinks to have are those that are relevant to your industry and services, and that are also local websites. Those will be the best ones to have. So currently, you guys have 178 backlinks. And your competition, Frugal Kitchens, has 3,300 backlinks. Because they have a higher quantity of backlinks and a good quality of backlinks, their trust rating is higher with Google, which is why they're ranking higher in the organic search results. So next, I want to go over a citation. A citation is anywhere your business name, number, and address are shown exactly as per your Google business profile, and these citations help you rank in the map pack I showed you earlier on our search result here, which is extremely important for local businesses since these can generate huge amounts of revenue. Citations include directories like Better Business Bureau, Yelp, Angie, a bunch of others, and social media accounts as well. But the idea is that your brand begins to be found by Google all over the internet. So the larger your online presence is, the more Google trusts you, and once Google sees you more often than your competitors, the more likely it is that you will rank above them. Alright, so we went over content, backlinks, and citations. And once you get those 3 things optimized, then you'll be able to outgrow your competitors and outrank them in the Google search result. This is really important because you'll be able to start getting more traffic to your website. Here you guys are at 75 for organic traffic, and your competitor is at 518 with much more quality leads. So definitely I would increase those 3 things, and also increase your location and service specific keywords, that you guys are stronger within your content and can rank higher with Google. Alright, so that is about it for today. I just wanted to show this to you to provide valuable educational content and how to strengthen your online presence and optimize your website. Thank you so much for allowing me to help you and serve you today, Nicole. I really hope it was helpful. I'd appreciate some feedback. My contact information is in my signature in the email. I hope to hear from you soon, and have a good day.